living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the works at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 2 supervision. During the execution of the work of RCC structure wall of retaining wall. Tip number 4. Check and ensure that in case of continuous subsoil water oozing out, continue the bailing out of the same to avoid draining out of cement slurry. Tip number 5. Check and ensure that the surface is made wet before laying of concrete foundation. Tip number 6. Check and ensure that the reinforcement bars are not getting disturbed from its position while laying the concrete. Thanks for listening. We will meet in the next video.